Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here to unbox the Senzer SG500. Why I came across these headphones here is that an Amazon retailer reached out to me. She's selling these products on her Amazon site, and she asked me to do an unboxing of them. So I said, why not? So I went ahead on and purchased them, and the quality of it, as always, the presentation. Yes, it's about the presentation. Here, you see the name of the product, Senzer. Got the picture of the headphones, SG500 gaming stereo headphones, made in China. Of course, you know all the devices are made in China. And on the back, on the side of it, you got the volume knob. It connects up the metal hose microphone. Interface is 3.5, deep bass, soft leather ear pads, and easy volume adjust. And of course, if you have a QR code on the box, you could go ahead and scan the QR code when looking at more information about the product. So always scan the QR code if you want to look at more information about the product. Shenzhen Zuli Network Technology Corporation. Yes, not bad. The product looks nice. It's used with laptops, desktops, tablets, microphones, as well as the Xbox as well too. So yes, it interfaces with those four devices. If you got the specifications on the side of the box, it has speaker independence 21 ohms. Speaker sensitive is 100 plus minus 3 decibels. Frequency range is 20 hertz. Phase is left-right phase congruence. Rated input is 20 milliwatts. Maximum input is 50 milliwatts. Left-right balance is 3 decibels at 1 kilohertz. Same thing with your microphone. Is the mic unidirectional. Speaker sensitivity is 45 decibels plus minus 3 decibels at 1 kilohertz. Single noise ratio greater minus 558 decibels at 1 kilohertz. Testing VCC 12 volts RL 2.2 KQ. Current composition is 50 UA, 500 UA. Frequency range is 100 hertz to 10 hertz. So yes, let's get into it. That's one thing I love about it, and I give Senzer a good credit. Is product presentation. It's a must. Let's get into it now. Off bat, one thing I love the most about them is that they're foldable. Yes, nice foldable design. So yes, you can pack them up. The cushion is soft. You got your nice little soft headband. It is adjustable. So yes, it's adjustable. Adjustable on the side. Nice good quality feel. You know, you cannot go wrong with that. Nice good quality feel. You got your little foldable microphone here. This has a nice little knob just for looks, but Senzer, if you're listening, you can leave that off because there's no functionality until you cannot turn it. You got your nice little braided cord. You got your volume. You got your mic mute on and off. So that's a good thing about it. So they did added a on and off control on the mic on the switch level here. But one thing what they should have done, which most headphones do, is that when you don't want to use the headphones, you can just go ahead on and disconnect it and just go ahead on and use just the headphone just to listen to music and other things like that. You got your dynamic stereo, gold tip, 3.5 millimeter. So it's not bad at all. Let me go ahead on and do the field test of it so I can put it on my head so y'all could go ahead and get a good feel of what I'm messing with here. And then, like I said, your adjustable controls is on the side. So yes, they adjust to your head. Good quality design here. I like it. When you want to carry it to go, you know, just go ahead on and carry it on the go. Foldable mic. The thing here is that should have been included by Senzer is y'all should have put a carrying bag in there. So, you know, when you take your headphones on the go, you're traveling with them, you can put them up in there nicely, but you could buy your own carrying bag. So, you know, that's not bad. Here you got your QR scan code on the microphone if you want to scan it. And in the box, you got your instructions as well as your mic. So yes, you're gonna need this here to plug in the back of your computer, or if you're using the mic up top, which we prefer for you not to use because they sound so crappy. So always connect this in the back of your computer, and you get your instructions, your instruction manual. So let's go to the instruction manual right quick. Your basic simple instruction manual tells you what the product's about. You know, just like I said, it's that pleather material. It connects to your headphones. If you want to use the audio jack, if you want to use your cell phone, and you can connect it through your headphone audio jack, and then you can go ahead and gain functionality from there too. If you want to use the mic to do videos, etc., do voiceovers, etc., etc. It works for your Xbox One. Plug in directly to your computer audio jack. Plug directly into your iPad or Android tablet. I mean, the instructions are very well spot on. And then of course you got your Korean language, so Chinese language. So that's not bad. Very functional. And always refer to your menu if you don't know what you're doing. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead on and get into the show and tell, put it on, see how it feels. And also it says detachable magnetic clamps. So yes, they detach. It tells you which side is which, right, left. See, that's good. So that's not bad. You could take them off. Yes, and I like that they got the little magnetic thing there. So yeah, that's pretty decent. But the thing here is, as we know, this is that pleather material. Over years, this will fade away. So I will recommend that you get you some earphone covers to go ahead and keep this from deteriorating. But other than that, I like the feel of it. Just a little basic static black matted look. You can't. It's not bad at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead on and put them on, and we can go ahead and get the full quality of how they feel and how they look. Alright everybody, you see I'm on my head and the quality of them are great. The mic is sounding good, I can hear myself, so it's not a problem. When I play some music through it, I'm gonna go ahead and play Spotify. We put in Spotify description in the Spotify link in the description below. Sorry, I'll be putting their link in the description below. Let you know I'm listening to my music source. So other than that, it is nice, it is good, and I cannot go wrong with that at all. So I'm finna go ahead and just play some Spotify so I can listen to the bass. I have Spotify on, so it's not really a problem. They're great quality sounding headphones. One thing I like about it is it's basically a balance of 50% like it and 50% dislike it. One, there is very deep bass. I can hear the bass. I could barely hear the trebles, the highs and everything, but you can just hear all that nice good deep bass. It's not really an issue. The mic sounding good, so y'all know y'all can hear me here. And pretty much as gaming headphones, this is not bad by Senzer. Yeah, the Senzer SG500 is pretty decent. You know, I cannot go wrong. The presentation of the product is well spot on, as you see right here. So if you see these on the shelves for $29.99, I got them on sale from Amazon. They're going for $23.99 right now for a nice, good little Amazon Prime promotional they got going on between now to the end of this month. So I'll be putting the Senzer SG500 link in the description below if you want to purchase them. Other than that, the quality is good. You have your sizable headphones, so once you put them on, they're going to adjust to your to your head size. So you know, I don't like my headphones basically sitting too deep on my head, so I do have a little room for them, so I want to get the headphone indentations as what gamers are getting now. But other than that, I would recommend these here headphones here because these are nice, good quality sounding headphones with the mic. The only downside about it is that they have this control knob right here. If you see, I want y'all to take that off. Senzer, if you're listening to me, take that off. That don't make no sense in having it. It could be a good use of a volume control, but just like I said, you have everything on your headphones here. So yes, and I'm going to go ahead and unmute it. Now turn the mic back on now, so you could probably hear me. It has a nice good volume leveling knob on the side. Yes, everything is right here, and you can't go wrong with that though. So you can't not go wrong with that. Will I recommend these headphones to gamers? Yes. There's no RGB feel. One of them has the RGB feel to it. One of them don't. The SG500 do not have the RGB feel to it. So that is a big plus. I'll be putting all the information links in the description below, so you can click on them and learn more about these this company here by Senzer, and you cannot go wrong with it. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.